Welcome back to our channel, and as we finish up on the question 4, today we'll be looking at 4.3, which is prove the following identity. In 4.3 it says prove the following identity, which is given by the sine 2 theta plus the cos 2 theta minus 90 equals to a 4 sine theta cos theta. Now you want to prove that the simplified format of the left hand side is equal to the simplified format of the right hand side. So the one that looks less complex is the one on the right hand side. So I'm going to start with right hand side. Now on the right hand side we're given what? 4 sine theta cos theta. Now 4 sine theta cos theta would be the same as our identity sine 2 theta, which is equal to a 2 sine theta cos theta. Now how do we make these two to be the same, the green and the red one? Now we can see that this is the same as 2 times 2 of sine theta cos theta. Now this is the same as 2 times sine 2 theta. So which means we now need to get our left hand side to be the same as our right hand side in either from the equation 4 sine theta cos theta or 2 sine 2 theta. Okay, now we work through the left hand side. Now left hand side is sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta minus 90 degrees, which we can turn into the following two identities. Now what do I see here? I see a sine 2 theta, and I've already spoken about that double angle identity 2 sine theta cos theta. Now at cos 2 theta minus 90, what I have in mind here, this is a, well, it can go two ways. You can either choose to make it compound angle, whereby you're saying cos of an angle minus an angle is equals to cos of that angle multiplied by cos of the second angle. If it's a minus, then it's a plus, so it's plus sine of the first angle times sine of the second angle. But that's going to be a long route. Well, let's try the first way, which is a shortcut for me. We first change everything here into, we have sine 2 theta plus cos of, now if you remember cofunctions, if we have a cofunction, it should be in this format, 90 plus an angle, but here we have negative 90, so which means we can factor out that negative 90 of cos of negative 90 plus an angle. Well, I forgot the 2 here. Now if you remember, we have our negative angles in the fourth quadrant, which is the home for cos. So which means cos of a negative angle, whereby this angle that we're talking about is this whole 90 plus 2 theta. we can rewrite this as, if this is sine 2 theta plus, which is a positive cos, so already a positive is in place there, positive cos of 90 plus 2 theta. Now we need to apply our cofunctions rule, and we know that if we say sine 2 theta plus, now where do we find 90 plus an angle? 90 plus an angle. We find it in the second quadrant. Now this means the complementary trig ratio for cos is sin. Now sin of what? Of this angle, which is sin of this angle here. So it's sin 2 theta. And what is the value of our what is the sign for sin in our, no, I think I made a little bit of a mistake here. Okay, let's take it back. When I factored out, I did not incorporate my negative here, so that makes the whole equation to be wrong. So it's going to be a sine 2 theta minus sine 2 theta. So now if we are factoring out here, factor out the negative out like this, and then we have a negative here, and then it becomes a negative here, then this will become a, so it means we're looking at the first quadrant here, 90 minus an angle. So in the first quadrant, the sign for cos is a positive value. So therefore you have what? You have sin 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, which is equal to 2 sin 2 theta, and that is equal to the right hand side. Thank you for watching, and I'll finish off with 4.4 in our next video.